Hey, what's going on, Tobago? Coach Jason here, and I'm super pumped, super excited because we'll be coming to you on Wednesday, the 20th of September. Now, as you guys been looking all over social media, you see that we have been doing a bunch of health checks all over Trinidad, and the Tobagonians were worrying, when is Coach Jason coming to Tobago? Now, I had to go back a couple days ago. However, we decided to extend that time, and as such, I will be here a little bit longer. Now, thank you so much to the Ayatpa and Sister Margaret. They have organized for us to come over to Tobago and do a health consultation with you ladies and gentlemen as well. So we will be there from about 9 a.m., let's say 10 a.m. to be safe, all the way down to 4 p.m. at the Ayatpa in Scarborough, Tobago. So come on down, we're going to be doing your checks, we're going to be doing your health consultations, and we're going to be looking at whatever challenges you are having, and we're going to be addressing them. So come on down, and if you're watching this video, pick 2 persons that you can bring along with you. Let's maximize the time. It's not every day I get to come to Tobago, so let's maximize the time that I will be there. Coach Jason signing out.